Sabinus, Sabinus, itu Sabio, Sabinus.
Good afternoon. Afternoon. Yeah. I beg if you help me. My car does the other tire does go down. I beg help me with your jack.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Look my car. Look the inside. Look the body. Look this one.
Your
you
tire?
like anything?
No.
You see anything like mechanic?
No, I don't see.
You're stupid. I'm telling you. You look a grown-up man like me. Make I become the help you the jack motor. I don't know how they behave. What you take me for? A top investor like me? Are you okay? Plus, you see me smoke. Anything help? I don't follow.
Come on, only me there for the way.
Out of the way, please.
Boss.
Hey. Wow. Wow. What a beautiful angel doing outside. Oh my God. Hello. Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Wow, wow, wow.
How are you?
My name is Investor Sabinus.
And how are you?
I'm very fine.
Okay.
So what's happening? Where are you going to?
You're going by the opposite direction. I'm going this way now.
You're going this way?
Yeah.
That's not a problem. My car has reverse. We can turn. That's why we have 4 tires. So come in, I'll turn and I'll take you to your destination.
You really?
Yes.
I hope it's not a paid service.
Paid service. Who they collect money again from fine girl from Nigeria? Okay. Who they do that one? Who, any man if you do and make it come and talk for fine woman, I beg to see, but they collect money from fine girl and not be seen. Chai. Madam, I work now.
I do thank God. Oh.
Yes, sir. I understand. Chai. At least you go tell me about your own self now.
Okay. Well, my name is Choma and I own a cosmetic shop.
Cosmetic shop?
Yeah.
No wonder. I see how a person go just find like this. You get a cosmetic face. That's enough you just find like this that you may get some kind of thing where they behind them. How the cosmetic business they go now?
It's not easy, oh. Brother, it's not easy at all. Especially now that this economy is like this.
My sister.
Very challenging.
Nigerian economy don't pass rocker.
That's why I'm looking for other ways to diversify my income.
Okay, you want to diversify your income?
Yes.
Nadia, we all die first, na baba now.
What's Effect?
You don't know how die first?
No.
Lie for me saying no.
What's Dr. Effect?
The #1 global forest trading platform. Yeah? Where we say that I'm there for 10 years. Bam, he don't set, nothing they shake up. I see you. Now, chef, they don't even do one new Obonge one where they call invite a friend. Where person will be trader now, once he invite a friend, he get to stand the chance to win Obonge prizes and reward. Yes, now.
So how can I join?
But to tap the link within my bio now, yes, you go come get your referral link for your personal area. That referral link now, madam, now you go come the share with Facebook, WhatsApp. They share give your friends. As they share and they give your friends, as they join, you they get one USD standard lot traded by them. And then now they get Obonge one. When we say they will come get 100% of their deposit bonus. You don't know. No do. Now say for other first now, if it's even receive and also deposit your commission in 24 hours. Sharp. Other first now. Now my guy every day my guy they talk other first. I don't know school and they take make money. So now I say I the year invite a friend. Now I can't know say some kind small bonus. Now I say make I invite you. Me I the investor. Yes, I'm the investor. But those that never get what I'm investing for now. But I get that vibes for now. So by God's grace, God go do it for me. But before then, make I they use this small one. They give me the manage body.
I have to do that now. I have to join.
My sister no way to. Now whose side they say they go again? Lucky. I know a problem. But you find them. You find. You get that fine vibes. Yeah. Yeah. People like you don't figure fire at all. You get that heaven face. Yeah. I fit even support you 5,000. I don't.
Really?
A token.
Thank you.
No problem, no problem. It's little from my heart.
Thank you.
You go drop your account now. Call her now.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop me here.
Ma, stop you here.
Stop me here.
I
Yes.
don't be here in the stop.
Stop me here. I'm stopping here. I'm stopping here.
Madam, that dog no dey work now. You want spoil my dog?
Don't shout for me, oh. Don't shout for me.
When you enter, you be romantic, oh. You don't reach now. You don't show your hardness.
Eh? Can you imagine? I've been under the sun since. If not because of this nice guy now, how would I have gotten here?
This man. Baba, no be you want to make you help me with your jack. You say you need to help person. No, you don't carry woman. You see your life. I found how they do.
Babe. I'm so sorry. I know you're
Hey! You know this whole sun since.
I'm so sorry. The car broke down. I just called my mechanic to come and fix the car. The car is fine and we're leaving here soon. Thank you so much.
Not because of this good guy that helped me get here. How would I have gotten?
Sabinus! Reverse the car! Reverse the car! Wait! Sabinus! Wind down, wind down.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Wait, they come this area
Once in a while.
once in a while. But you just started the business today now.
Oh yes, true.
Sabinus,
Okay.
you don't know this guy? I gave this guy this new car for the money I made from Octa FX. Sabinus, take the car.
Madam, I tell you now.
Will you keep quiet?
You tell me what?
Sabinus, don't interrupt me.
Sorry, sir.
Don't interrupt me.
Sorry, sir.
Take my car, do taxi business. At the end of the day, bring my money back to me. And in time, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I know what I've accomplished from the business.
Yes.
Wait, where did you pick it from?
Surulere.
Surulere. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Sabinus. I trust you.
I know you're a good driver. I know
you're a good driver. Hope you paid him. Hope you paid him his money.
It's the one that even paid me. He gave me 5,000. He gave me 5,000.
Sabinus, you carry person from Surulere to Lekki as cab man. You even still give her 5K.
Nah, Sada, good heart.
Good act.
Yes.
But you don't get money. Come down.
He didn't sign me.
Come down.
He said make you come down.
Give my
Now.
khaki. Give my khaki.
That's what I do for Lagos.
And I was told that you don't like money, that you always mess up. Give me my
Sorry,
khaki.
sir.
And I beg him for Jack. You know, give me help you.
Oh,
man.
Now you.
Now you.
I don't know. You get good at to help woman, but you know if you help man. Please take the car. I'll drive this one. Enter this car. Let us go.
But good afternoon. Have family now.
Which stupid family? See, Donald, drive this car and follow me.
Okay.
Let's go. Enter motor. Let's go. Okay, Moko, they go. He say make I follow you.
Oh, yeah. Which one?
Boss, good afternoon. How's the family, boss?
The family is not happy.
They are not happy. Yes, sir. Let's go and reconcile with them.
Because if you
sorry.
join me, I crush you.
Sorry,
You
sir.
join me, I crush you.
Sorry, sir.
Rubbish.
70 years old.
Samsung lady foul.
Since they
This
white.
world is gonna against me. It seems they have
All of them
no
are better.